Today I'd like to show you how to gold plate a shell using imitation gold leaf. We are privileged to be anchored at the beautiful Lady Elliot today. It's one of the most incredible underwater paradises I've ever seen. Stay to the end and I'll show you a few clips of what we've experienced so far. To start this project, choose a shell you love. I prefer never to buy shells as you never know if they have been sustainably obtained. Make sure to never take anything from a green zone and that there is no living creature inside. You'll need your imitation gold leaf, leafing size, which is the adhesive, 2 paintbrushes, 1 soft to apply the size and 1 medium hardness to gently apply the leaf. The leafing size I have on board is Montmartre brand. Start by painting the size on all the parts of the shell that you would like to stick the gold. This then needs to be left for 25 minutes to become tacky. A few additional things that would be helpful is a pair of tweezers and cotton gloves, but as I live on a boat, I didn't have access to these. Once the leafing size is ready, you can open the gold leaf. Make sure there are no breezes around, only open one at a time. Carefully plan attaching it. The gold will want to warp and curl. The first step is to apply the gold leaf to as many areas as you can. Once you have done this, use the medium hardness brush to gently press the gold leaf into all the crevices. I found it easier to go around the shell a few times and not to press too hard as I didn't want to brush too much of the gold off. Ripping it apart can be a little bit difficult if you have sticky fingers, so this is where the tweezers, scissors or cotton gloves may come in handy. I kept going around until I was happy. There was a few small areas where the gold had not stuck, so I applied more leafing size, allowed it to become tacky, and then added more gold leaf. After this, it is best to seal it. Any permanent clear gloss spray, sealer or permanent solvent-based varnish will seal the leaf well. Gold leaf is 24 karat gold that has been hammered extremely thin. Imitation gold leaf, also called Dutch metal or Dutch gold, gives the appearance of gold. It is composed of a combination of copper, zinc and brass and is much less expensive. Gold is a noble metal that doesn't tarnish, but the imitation gold leaf will tarnish over time due to its high copper content. After finishing the shell, I was imagining all the things I'd be able to gold leaf now. The possibilities are endless. We are so lucky to live on a boat. It's wild some days and paradise others. My captain is my best friend. We do everything together, and he's always excited to see what I'm crafting next. This moment, when I was surfing with turtles, is now one of my most treasured memories. We glided back and forth in the surging waves through a school of yellow parrotfish, the light rippling through it. It was like flying. Lady Elliot was full of so many creatures, a full green zone, so no fishing allowed. I'll show you more footage in my next video. Here's a sneak peek of the next creation.